Hey guys, I just want to make this quick video for you if you're looking to buy the C400. So this is this thing that I found on Reddit. Maybe it's going to be important, and also some cons that I'm going to share with you. So everything's ok until I added a rule to restrict outbound traffic to the world for Xiaomi camera on my router. So the camera doesn't function anyhow. The app and camera can be detected by any protocol, be it Bluetooth or internal home Wi-Fi network. With this router rule, I still see the camera itself by ping, telnet, netcat, and map. This is by design. Xiaomi camera won't work without access to leak your personal data. Also, this is something that I read. Xiaomi gear that is networked has been shown to have backdoors galore, but I couldn't find much information about this. And this is the comment from Reddit. They have massive security issues. I know of several places that have recently removed them, talking to my brother who fits security cameras and alarms. So this is the thing that you want to be aware of. Now, another thing that I prepared for you. So the power needs to be connected to power, no built-in battery. Also can disconnect from network after power outage, whatever, requiring manual reconnection. Then the audio quality is not the best, and short cable length not ideal for certain installations. So these are the cons that I just want to share with you. Maybe it's going to be like beneficial to your video. I hope so. Yes, you have like good motion detection, two-way communication, stable connection, playback feature with the ability to store footage on an SD card, good resolution and clear images, excellent night vision mode. That's something that I also like, so I'll just show you right here the footage. So you can see clearly as like from home. So this is good. Oh my god, it's just like everything's flying right now. So this is something that I just wanted to share with you, and have a great day and goodbye.